All right, guys, last break of the night before we do our Hobby Box giveaway, and it's going to be another Gold Rush autographed full-size helmet. So this is Series 3, loaded with big names, and hopefully we can pull something nasty out of this one. So we've pulled some pretty decent helmets out of here over the last few weeks. So last weekend was a nice DeAndre Hopkins autographed Clemson jersey. Pulled a Mike Williams a week before. So let's see if we can find one of these headliner names. So here's the rundown on the helmets. Alan B. hoping for another one with the Cowboys. Allison P. with the Patriots. Brian S. with the Jags and Dolphins. Carlos has got the Bears. Charles M. with the Giants. Chris S. with the Texans. Dustin with the Chiefs. Frank D. with the Steelers. Grant's got the Bills, Panthers, Bengals, Browns, Rams, Jets, and Raiders. Ivan's got the Seahawks. Jacob J. with the Vikings. John H. with the 49ers. John M. with the Saints. Josh has got the Broncos and the Colts. Kevin S. with the Lions and the Chargers. And then Ray, you've got the Ravens, the Packers, the Bucks, and the Tennessee Titans. Marty, thank you, man. Good seeing you briefly tonight, buddy. We'll hopefully see you next week. All right, so here is the seal taped on the front as well as underneath. Got the seal right there in the middle. Uh-oh, we got a Chief. We got a Chief. Who's it going to be? It's going to be a future Hall of Famer. It's going to be probably the greatest tight end in history, Tony Gonzalez. Dude, you did it, man. What did we say? We said the Chiefs, right? Dude, that's awesome. You called it, man, all night. How hilarious is that? JSA certified. And that is a nice helmet, man. It's not a Mahomes, but that's still amazing. Unbelievable. There is the card. So, Dustin, your head's going to stay warm there in Kansas City. Sure, it's cold there in the Midwest. Man, so all these memorabilia breaks tonight hitting big. Nice names. So we'll get that helmet in the mail tomorrow, and next weekend we'll be doing a Leaf 2019 autographed full-size helmet. So go check that out on our eBay auctions. It'll end Saturday night, and we'll break it here next Sunday.